Hello children, in this video you will learn about question words. Let's go ahead. Have a look at some question words. These are sometimes called interrogative words or WH words as they begin with the letters W and H. How is also considered as a part of WH family. These words are used to ask for information and to expect an answer from someone other than yes or no. It's important to know the purpose of each question word. Just read and remember all these question words. The word what is used to ask for information. For example, what would you like to eat? Moving on. The word when refers to time. For instance, when does the next bus arrive? Then, the word why is used to ask for reason or purpose. For example, why are you late for the class? Okay, the question word who, whom, and whose are used for asking about people. The word who is used to ask about person, who is the subject. For example, who is he? He here is the subject. Moving on, the word where refers to place. For instance, where is your watch? You're asking about the place over here, place of the watch. Next is the word whom is used to ask about a person, who is the object. For example, whom is he playing with? Moving on, the word which refers to a set of choices. As an example, which one of these books is yours? Moving on, the word whose is used to talk about ownership. For example, whose hat is this? Then comes the word how. It asks about the manner and method. For example, how will you go home? Alright, now let's see how to change statements into questions. Well, to change a statement into a question, we place the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence and we end it with a question mark. Alright, let's understand it more with the help of some examples. But before that, quickly have a look at some helping verbs. The words is, am, are, was, were, has, have, and had are the helping verbs. Let's look at some examples. This is your bag. This is a statement. A statement begins with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Here, is the helping verb. Now let's change this statement into a question. Is this your bag? So what we have actually done here is we have changed the position of the helping verb. Earlier it was in the middle of the sentence, but to change it into a question, we shifted it in the beginning. So now it's starting with a capital letter but ending with a question mark. Look at another example. You are my friend. This is a statement as it is beginning with a capital letter ending with a full stop. Now, are is the helping verb here. Let's change it into a question now. It will become, are you my friend? So here, the position of helping verb is changed. Moreover, it's starting with a capital letter now, ending with a question mark instead of a full stop. Fine. Well, I hope this much is clear to you. So this is the book exercise. In part A, you have to put a tick on those sentences that are questions and you have to circle those who are sentences. Fine. So the first one is, do you like dolls? This is a question as it is ending with a question mark. Alright. Moreover, questions also begin with do and does. Fine. So put a tick on this. Then second one is, I drink milk in the morning. This is a normal statement as it is beginning with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. Fine. Similarly, you can do rest of the parts too. Moving ahead towards the next page. Topic is making questions from statements. This we have already discussed through the slides. You have to change the position of helping verbs. For example, this is my cat. This is a statement. It's ending with a full stop. Fine. So just change the position of helping verb to make a question. It will be, is this my cat? Now it's starting with a capital letter but ending with a question mark. Alright. Next example is, Brazil is the largest country in South America. This is a statement. So just place the helping verb is in the beginning. It will become, is Brazil the largest country in South America? And it's ending with a question mark. So this is a question form. Alright. Moving on to the next page. Now in part B, what you have to do, you have to practice the same thing. Just change the position of the helping verbs and make it into questions. Try it yourself. I just tell you one or two examples. First one is, Henu is reading a book. Here helping verb is. It is underlined also. Place it in the front. It will become, is Henu reading a book? And end it with a question mark instead of a full stop. Another one is, she will eat a pizza tonight. So to change it into a question, we will place will in the front. Will she eat a pizza tonight? And just end it with a question mark. Try rest of the parts yourself. Moving on to part C. Here sentences are given to you in jumbled way. You have to rearrange the words to make questions. Question words will come in the beginning and don't forget to add question mark at the end. So first one is, Sanas is of what the school name? Doesn't make sense, right? So just find out the question word here and place it in the front. Question word here is what. It's the part of WH family. So place what in the beginning. So it will become, what is the name of Sana's school? And end it with a question mark. Fine. Similarly, next one is, the stole jewels who? Find out the question word. Who is the question word here? Place it in the front. Who stole the jewels? And end it with a question mark. Alright. Rest of the parts will be done in the same way. Try them. Now, in part D, this is your homework. Sentences are given to you in statement form. You just need to change the place of the underlined words to make questions. Alright, that's all about this video. Hope you liked it and find it useful. If so, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.